If you want to learn how to make Ghibli-style textures in Substance Painter, the latest course from the 3D coloring book was made for you. I'll leave a link in the description if you want to consider getting the course. Now let's get into this week's video.
Hello again, Stylized Station. My name is Nikolas Volchenko and I am a 3D environment artist from St. Petersburg. This is a small breakdown of my project. In this video I will tell you a little about the modular system, about vertex paint and noise for textures, how I use virtual texturing. Many asked me to tell you more about creation of grass. At the end I will tell you a little about this project. I divided my modular system into 4 parts. The first is wood. For this I made several types of boards. As a result, one material for all boards. From these boards I have assembled a wide variety of models. The second is a stone, several separate bricks and the wall. Again, one material for everything. The third is the roof. Again, one material for all models. And the last thing is metal. Few metal assets, one material. Using the skills I made, I started making models. Stone, wood and roof. I used metal for some props. The models are made in size convenient for me, so that in Unreal Engine I can quickly attach them to each other using snapping. Thanks to this system I can build a wide variety of houses while maintaining high quality textures. With the help of vertex paint you can diversify the same models. The principle is simple. Model vertices can have information in 3 colors, R, G and B. We can use these colors as masks for mixing materials. Let's take a look at a practical example. Use the warp knob. It works like this. B is placed on top of A by the mask. For example, we want pink to overlay blue in the red channel. Add a vertex color node. It will report information about the colors of our model's vertices. Apply material to the model. In order to paint over the model, select the model, go to the Mesh Paint tab, select the desired channel and color. Paint. To make a beautiful transition between materials, you can use a height map or noise. Multiply the color vertex and height. Use the power to control the mixing state. Connect clamp to align the values from 0 to 1. By this principle we mix roughness, normal and other maps. Besides vertex paint, I use noise to split the tile. With the world position node, I can get different results depending on the position of the object in the world. Using the warp node, apply noise to the base color and get this effect. First, we need to check the Enable Virtual Texturing checkbox in the project. Now point by point. First, drop real-time virtual texturing volume into scene. It is needed to order to indicate the boundaries with which virtual texturing will work. Create virtual texturing and put it into volume in the mesh from which we will take material. In my case, it's a landscape. In the landscape material, create a virtual texture output node. Indicate the maps what we will use. In the material of the object that we will texture, add a virtual texture sample node. Insert our RVT into it. Also, in RVT you can raise the resolution of the material. In my location I used vertex paint technology to indicate where virtual texturing is needed. Let's create a stylized grass. Draw alpha. Make a gradient for the wind mask. In the white part of the gradient, the wind will be stronger. In the black, it will not be at all. Divide the cards into channels. In Unreal Engine, create a material and set the masked mode to it. Connect the transparency mask. Add a simple wind to overlay it along the gradient through lerp. Roughness set to 1, metallic 0. And blend the colors according to our gradient, which is in the green channel. It remains to set two-sided mode and I check the tangent space normal. Create a grass mesh in any 3D editor, in my case it is Maya. There should be enough section to animate the wiggle. Submit to engine and apply material. Also, you can turn off shadows in the foliage tool. Now a little about the project. This is large open world that I'm doing alone. Everything you see is made by me. It will not be a game, but some interaction elements will be present. At the moment, I have been working on this project for a little over a month. You can follow the progress on my ArtStation, and also I sometimes stream on Twitch. Visit my Twitch channel and maybe you can somehow influence the creation of the world. All links in the description. Many thanks to StyleStation for inviting me again. I hope my video was useful to someone. Cheers!